Hello, everyone. This is Bhagashree here, the founder and editor in chief of Youth Magazine. And I'm very glad to tell you all about a recent collaboration of Youth Magazine with Writers of the Future. And we are presenting to you all a free Writers of the Future workshop with some amazing tips from judges and amazing exercises. And it's free to enter. And along with that, we've got some exciting prizes for those who complete the workshop. And having completed the workshop myself, I would recommend all of you to complete the workshop and actually get through it and complete all of the steps, because I am sure that at the end of the workshop you will be equipped with all of amazing science fiction writing skills and some amazing tips from their judges like David Farland and Tim Powers. And it's just an amazing workshop, and I recommend you all to quickly get started with it and go on and complete the workshop. It is an amazing opportunity, and I wish you all to not miss this opportunity. And good luck to all of you.